Hi everybody, welcome to Plannerzoid, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about purses, so stay tuned. So today, I'm going to be talking about a Michael Kors purse that I got not too long ago that I added to my little collection that I wanted to share with you guys. And it's called the Michael Kors Lita, which is such a cute bag. Let me grab it. Isn't she adorable? This bag is so cute. I love it so much. And it's so funny because I actually wanted this bag for like over a year, but I don't know, just never really got it because life, you know how that is. So eventually, when I had the chance to get it and it was on sale, I had to snag it. So I did snag it. And I like it so far. It's not my favorite purse, but I do love it. It's a cute bag. So I do want to start with the specs of the bag really quickly before I get into more of the video. So I do have the Michael Kors website pulled up. That is where I purchased the bag from the official Michael Kors website. It's called the Michael Kors Lita Small Leather Crossbody Bag. And then if you scroll down, it says, our Lita crossbody bag strikes the perfect balance between style and function. Its top chain handle add a touch of shine and versatile carry options, while its compact interior will store just the necessities. Wear it by the adjustable shoulder strap on busy days. And that description is so true. When I tell you, yes, I do love the chain. It does add more carrying options, which is adorable. It also does come with a strap. I'll get to that in a minute. But the inside, they are not lying about the inside. The inside is truly compact, which I will also get to in a second too. More details. It's a crossbody bag. It's leather. It says 100% leather from tanneries meeting the highest standards of environmental performance. From tanneries meeting the highest standards of environmental performance. Why does it say that twice? But okay, anyways, it's leather. I don't get into all the leathers. I don't care if it's the good leather, the faux leather. You know, I just like a nice bag. So I know some people are picky about that, but it does say 100% leather. It's gold tone hardware. And then it says 8 wide. Actually, let me hold it. So it's 8 wide, 4.75 high, and then 2.9 in depth. And this is inches, by the way. And all of this is on the website. I'm literally reading verbatim on the website. It says a handle drop is 2 inches. I'm assuming they're talking about this if you carry it this way. And then an adjustable strap, 17.5 to 20.5. I don't know what mine is. I didn't adjust it, so. And then the interior details is a back slip pocket, which I'll get to in a second. Snap fastening. Dust bag is not included. Devastated, but at least they tell you in advance. And then imported. So I just read that verbatim from the website. And yeah, that's the specs. So let's get into the actual look of the bag. I hope and pray that this video is good. I have been experimenting with filming in a different mode. I recently learned that cinematic mode is like really good for filming, so I'm giving it a try. So I'm really hoping this is not blurry. I hope you guys can see this. When I look back, I'll see. But I like to do my videos in one take, so we'll see. Anyway, so here's the bag. It does come with a strap, like I said. Oh, and the strap is all the way over there. Hold on. So this is the strap that comes with the bag. And I will get more in depth into the different ways you can wear it in a moment. But I did want to just show it to you that it comes with the bag itself and it comes with the strap. So as far as the bag, the puff ball that's on this bag is not included, just so you know. This is a Michael Kors keychain or whatever that I bought a long time ago from Macy's. It is not included with this bag. And then the chain strap I thought was a really nice touch. I do like bags that have chains on it, depending on how you have the chain. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, I don't know why I don't like a chain strap, but when it comes to like carrying it, by the chain. It's really cute. I don't know why I like it. But this color is the powder blush color. They do come in other colors. They also come in other sizes. This is the smallest one. It is the small Lita. They have a medium too. And the medium actually has like an extra pocket. It's a little bit different. But in the front of the bag, actually, I think I should bring it closer. I really hope you guys can see it. I hope you can see it. In the front of the bag, it is like a snap closure. So you would just simply open it. It'll reveal the MK logo, and then you'll just flip it up. And then you got the inside of the bag. And then for the back of the bag, talking about the exterior, it does have that pocket that was mentioned in the description. And the pocket is nice, it's convenient, but it's definitely small. It's not like a stretchy pocket where you can put something big. I literally use this pocket for just cards. That's it. That's all I can use it for. And other bags that I have pockets, I can at least fit my phone, which is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. But this one, yeah, it's quite small. Okay, so let's get to the inside of the bag. So I'm gonna do a real quick what's in my bag. This is what I normally carry with me. I carry a compact mirror. Oh, that's my ID. So I'll go ahead and say I carry ID and my cards. And then the kind of wallet I use for that is this. I emptied it out, but it comes with a bigger wallet, but I just took the small part to fit into this bag because this bag is truly compact. So I carry my mirror, I carry my cards. I always like to carry a pen with me. Potpourri, you never know when you gotta go, and you wanna smell good when you gotta go. So, hey, let's be real here, we're adults. I do carry some perfume with me. This is, oh, okay, no, it's not. It actually says on the bottle, We Juicy Couture, but in the bottle, it's not Juicy Couture. It's probably like some Bath and Body Works or something. I just want to save the bottle. And then I have my little Vaseline. And I don't know why I have this in my bag. It's just a cute keychain, I guess. I don't know, I love keychains, so it was pink and I wanted to add to the pink aesthetic. My phone case is pink too, so why not? So now that the bag is empty, this is the inside of the bag. And I hope you guys can see this. So with the inside being empty, it looks spacious, right? But once you start adding your stuff in there, it's not really that spacious. And I'm going to say this right now. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is the bigger size phone. And with no case, it can fit. But it's probably going to be like the only thing that can fit with like 2 more items in one of the compartments. Everything else will have to go in like the other compartment. So just keep in mind, if you have a big size phone, it can fit with no case, but it will be taking up all the space in this bag. So keep that in mind. And no, the phone does not fit in this back pocket, which is where I would normally put it. It does not fit in the back pocket like it would on my other bags. So that's just something to keep in mind. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't have any like special pockets or anything inside. It's just hollow inside with 2 divided sections. So I like it actually. I like it because, you know, if you want to divide your stuff accordingly and organize your bag a little bit, it gives you a chance to do that. But also I feel like when you get all those extra pockets and stuff in a really small bag, it just takes up more space. So I think it's good they didn't add the pockets inside the bag. It would just take up more space. You wouldn't have any room. Things I love about the bag as far as the look. I do like the snap closure. I feel fancy. I love this little MK logo right here. I hope you can see it. I love this MK logo right here. I thought it was a very nice, cute little touch. And then I also love it when you open it, you can also see the MK logo there. And then you do have another one here. It's just the name spelled out, which I think it looks really nice. I'm not really into the monogram bags too much. I used to be, but I feel like over time, it kind of got ugly. So I normally just go for these kind of bags now. And my favorite leather is the Soffiano leather, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what kind of leather this is. I think it's the pebbled leather. If I'm looking at it correctly, I do believe it's the pebbled leather. So shipping, let's talk about shipping really quickly. When I ordered from the website, I normally never have an issue, but With this bag, I don't know why, I did have a slight issue, but it wasn't too bad. The only issue I had was you know how you order something and then you get a notification saying, it's shipped. And then you get another notification saying, hey, it's going to be delivered this day or on the way or whatever. Well, I had got a notification the day after I ordered this that it was shipped. So I was like, okay, that was fast, great. And then it estimated the day, which was supposed to be like 2 days later. So I expected to get it 2 days later. So then when 2 days passed, I didn't get it, but it still said that I was supposed to have it. I contacted them and don't use the chat. I hate the chat. The chat people are rude. They end the chat on you abruptly, like before you can even get a question out. I recommend you just call customer service. When I called them, I was able to get it like resolved. I guess the shipping on their end is really weird, like they're partnered with UPS or whatever. And I don't know about y'all, but for me, UPS is always giving some false information. Like anytime I order through them, they'll say, oh, it's shipped and it's delivered here. And when I go there, it's not there. But then when you go into like the actual, I don't know, UPS app and see the full breakdown, it's in a whole nother city, not even where it's supposed to be. So it's just like so confusing. What I learned was, I guess they take a different route from everyone else. So I just give it like an extra day or two to see if it does come to my address. And no, I can't talk. Most of the time it does, but there are times where it's like, where is this package? It's really weird. I don't know. I only have that issue with like UPS. Everybody else be like straight up accurate. But anyway, and I think it even still says on there, shipped, waiting for a date. So I'm like, I have the bag now, so I don't understand. But anyway, just something to think about if you do order from there. I've never had this problem before, but I guess it's different now. So it is what it is. And plus, I haven't ordered from them in a while. So I do believe they might have changed up some. So who knows? But that's something about the shipping. I had a slight little ick, but other than that, I'm glad it got here. So the price. The price originally, actually, let me get my tablet. What was the original price? Okay. The original price is $298. I got this for $99. So it is on sale right now. It has been on sale, looks like for a while. I did take the time to use this bag for a few weeks before doing a review because I wanted to do a solid review. So far, I like it. I think it's good. If you're someone who like small bags, then you would love this. Oh, excuse me. Oh my God, what happened? Oh, I'm so over it. This is what I get for trying to film my videos in the morning. I'm always filming my videos in the morning time. I didn't have no water or nothing. Okay. As I was saying, what was I saying? What was I saying? Oh my God. Y'all, what was I saying? Oh, give me a second. I always do my videos unscripted. I'm not gonna lie. There'll be times where I might have like bullet points, but I'm like, dang, what did I say? That's why having a script is good. I talked about the shipping. Oh, okay, I remember now. If you're like me and like small bags, then you will love this bag. Like all the bags that I own are small. I used to have larger ones, but I gave those away and bought the same version but smaller. So if you're someone who normally uses medium to large bags and not really used to using small bags, then keep in mind this is small. This is small. So it might be too small for you. I've seen reviews on it that were people complaining that this bag is way smaller than I thought. It's too small, but it's like, it says on there that it's small. It does. Know that you're getting a small bag and you're truly only able to fit the essentials just like the description says. I think it's pretty accurate. So keep that in mind that this bag is small. You can hold it multiple ways. One of the ways that I love to hold it is my favorite is by the handle. My favorite way to hold it. I think it's pretty. It looks very chic and classy. And then the other way you can do is with the strap. You can hold it on your shoulder or you can do crossbody, which is another way I like to hold it is by the crossbody. It just, I don't know, convenient. I don't know what it is. I don't like it on my shoulder. It just likes to slide off. But crossbody, you know it's on there. So, and one more way I didn't think about adding until right now, but you can hold it as like a clutch. Ooh, it could be like a clutch, kind of. I think that's cute. Yeah, you can kind of hold it like a clutch because it's that small. But the good part is this does not come off at all anyway. So you got a little strap to hold it by. So there are options to hold your bag. And I am 5'6". So it stops like right at my waist. So if you're shorter, taller, it might be a little bit different. But yeah. Other than that, I like the bag. Yeah. I do research on my bags before getting them, as I mentioned in previous bag videos. So I absolutely know for a fact I'm gonna like the bag before I even receive it. So all the bags that I have reviewed on my channel, I highly recommend them. I think they're fun bags. Springtime is coming, so spring colors. Now, also keep in mind with my previous videos, some of those bags might be older models or older styles, so you might not see it on the Michael Kors website. But other than that, they're great bags. And they're all small. Now, one thing I can say as a dislike. This bag get dirty easy. Real dirty. And maybe that's why I'm like trying not to take it out so much. It's already got like spots on it from taking it out, and I haven't had this bag that long. Myself, y'all know leather bags though, they're great. They barely get dirty. They can withstand if it gets hit against the wall, fall on the ground. But this one, on the other hand, like you really gotta be careful. So just keep that in mind. If you're someone who just likes to throw bags on, just be careful that, it might start wearing and tearing. But me, I like to take good care of my bags. I do clean them. I do inspect them from time to time, like weekly, sometimes quarterly, just depends on my vibe. So if you're really good with keeping bags clean, then you'll have no problem with this. I use the Michael Kors, I think it's Renew solution to clean the bags. And that's all I literally use with a cloth. So that's about it. But the bottom of the bag, it doesn't have feet, unfortunately, but it can stand on its own. But it doesn't have feet. I love feet. I don't mean feet, but purse feet. So yeah, it can stand on its own anyway, though. But then other than that, I highly recommend this bag for anyone who loves pink, who loves small, who loves, something dainty but still classy and elegant and sexy. Like, it's just a fun, flirty bag. It's just so cute. Now, me, I'm not one that's like, oh, I gotta wear this bag for this season or this occasion. I wear all my bags year round, no matter what time of year. So I feel like this is perfect for all year round wear. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming fashion and person lifestyle videos because I've been releasing them. And also planner videos, which is the basis of my channel, so keep that in mind. But like, subscribe for more content, tell your friends about me, and thanks for watching, guys.